Hi everyone. So today we'll be talking about integers. So until now we've mostly dealt with positive numbers. So what do you mean by positive numbers? Is the normal numbers that we use 1, 2, 17, 25, 102 and so on. Okay? Now, the numbers are not just limited to the positive numbers, we also have negative numbers. Okay, so negative numbers is all the numbers with a negative sign. So, minus 2, minus 17, minus 10, minus 48, so on. So all the positive numbers with the negative sign are the negative numbers. So each number will have an opposite positive or a negative number. So if we say we have a 3, the opposite we also have a minus 3. So if we say we have minus 11, we'll also have a opposite positive 11. Okay. And along with positive and negative, we have another number that is 0. Okay, so 0 plus the positive numbers plus the negative numbers, they all form the integers. Okay, and all the integers can be represented on a number line. Okay, so in the middle we always say is 0, and when we go towards the right we have positive numbers, and when we go towards the left of 0 we have negative numbers. So we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we can go on. Similarly here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, so in positive numbers we know as the numbers increase, the value increase, the numbers are greater. Okay, so 5 will be greater than 4, 4 will be greater than 3. So we can say for the positive numbers, okay, the numbers as they go on the number line, they increase towards the right. Okay, and let's see if it is true. If we include 0, yes, so 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 0. So all the numbers starting from 0, as they increase towards the right of the number line, they increase. Okay, now let's see if it is true for the negative numbers too. Okay, so we know 6 is greater than 5, but minus 6, it means we have a more negative value, right? So it will be smaller than minus 5. So in negative numbers, it's the opposite. So if we have a smaller negative value, it means we have a greater number. So minus 2 will be greater than minus 6. So it holds true for all the numbers on the number line. What holds true? That the number on the right is always greater than the number on the left of the number line. So it's always safe to say any number on the right will be greater than a number on its left. So 3 will be greater than minus 6, will be greater than minus 2, 0 will be greater than minus 4, minus 2 will be greater than minus 4. So the number towards the right will always be greater than all the numbers on its left. Okay, and each number, as we discussed, will have a opposite. So if I say we have minus 5 represented on the number line, so we draw a number line and we say this is minus 5, and what is the opposite? 5. We can draw that on the number line as well. Okay, let's take another number, 8. Okay, so represent 8. We can say 8 and we can represent it on the number line. And how about its opposite? We can say minus 8 also can be represented. Okay, but for 0, there is no positive or negative. It's just 0. Okay, so I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.